Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will know about how to write expressions in Python. I have explained in the previous videos that how to write expression involving addition having two operands, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also exponentiation and modulus. But there were two operands and one operator. An expression may be more complex. Like you can also write a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can also write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and basically this one is a plus b whole square and this one is a plus b whole cube. So now let us write these two expressions in Python. So here, as you have already seen, first of all you have to define a variable. So in this case I am defining variable a which refers 3, b which refers 5, and c. You will not write here a square a plus b whole square, but that would be replaced by c. So c, a raised b will write a star star b. That means a to the power 2 or a raised 2. Thereafter b double star 2. That means b square. Thereafter 2 star a star b. Now what will happen? C will refer a plus b whole square, or you can say that a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now c will refer, but you have to use output function to see the value of variable c. So I am writing here print c, and now run it. So you can see that here a is referring to 3, b is referring to 5, and c is referring to 64, and also here output is 64. Now let us see another expression. So another expression I will write c is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let us write on editor. So what will I do? I will just replace the whole expression by a double asterisk 3 plus b double asterisk 3, that means a cube plus b cube plus 3 star a double star 2, that means a square star b plus 3 star a star b double star 2. So this expression is actually a square, not a square, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now let us run the code and see the output. So here I am just running the program, and you can see that A refers 3, B refers 5 and C refers 512, and here output is 512. So in this video you have seen how to write some expressions. Hope you have understood that how to write expression in Python. Thank you for watching the video.